Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of a home video of Passing It On. I'm Reena Govender, your host and your chef for today. Today I will be showing you how to make a 5-ingredient cheesecake. Okay, so now for the ingredients for the cheesecake. I've got my tennis biscuit, I've got condensed milk, bit of Rama, and then I've got your granadilla ready-made pulp here. And then this is the yogurt. You must get a double cream plain yogurt, because if you get a medium cream, it's not gonna set, because I tried it the other time and it didn't set. So you must get a double cream. And Spring Meadow, this is like 21 rand at the shop, so it's quite reasonable as well. So this is a simple ingredients for a cheesecake. Okay, now I don't have a food processor at home, okay? And you have to make these biscuits into like a crumb. So this is my technique that I use at home. Get a little packet, you put that in. Okay. And then I've got my rolling pin, and you just break that in. You just all the ends of the packet so you don't get the crumbs going out. And voila, it's ready. Okay, so to this I'm going to, as you can see, it's done. You can bang it a bit harder if you want it more finer, but that's fine for me now. So I'll show you now how to do the base of it. Okay, so I've got my crumb and I've got the Rama margarines. I have to use my finger for this. So I'm going to mix this together. I'm just going to form like a base for the pie container that I have here. This is my glass casserole dish that I'm going to use. Just going to mix that again. I'm going to press this biscuit crumb into the bottom of the dish. Okay, as you can see, it's set. And then I'm going to put it into the fridge while I do the next preparation. Okay, so now we're going to mix the mixture of the cheesecake mixture to go onto the crumb. So I'm going to just take this yogurt. As you can see, it's nice and creamy. Just going to put this in here. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. Then I've got the condensed milk. In fact, growing up, whenever we called this the tin milk at that time when we lived in Derricks, and whenever we use this, we should always suck the container after we've done. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold this in. You can actually get the texture of the plain yogurt. It's got like a lemony taste as well to it. Okay, so this is nicely mixed. Just going to churn that a bit. Okay, so that's ready. I'm going to pour this onto the biscuit base. Just going to smooth this a bit. In fact, your biscuit base doesn't have to set too long, even like for half an hour, because you're going to put this back in the fridge and this is going to set. And then later on you can add whatever option you want, whatever you need, you can add on this. I'm going to put this into the fridge now. Okay, so this has been sitting in the fridge. As you can see, it's okay. So I'm just going to add granule juice on it. Right. And I'm just gonna smear this all over. In fact, I'm supposed to use 2, but I only had 1 in the cupboard. And I'm just gonna put this right through. You can actually get the smell of the granule. Absolutely lovely. Okay, so this is a simple 5-ingredient cheesecake recipe, and it's absolutely tasty. You can use any topping you want.